Hey crew, it's Dave, Big Dave here, your Hi.tech redneck. Just tinkering out in the garage today. It's getting cold outside, winter's coming. Got the bike put away for the winter. Got to put up on the dolly and push up against the wall. So just dreaming of warmer weather and just tinkering out here, looking for something to do to keep busy. So as I was starting to go through the bike, just, doing my winter preparations, I came across something in there that I wanted to talk to you today about. Because I've been thinking about it, and I want to do a series on things that I think are very important to carry in your bike. Today's episode, we're going to talk about this. Now, if you look at this, looks like your regular everyday flashlight. Got this at Walmart. I'm going to look online and try and find a similar version of one that maybe they sell on Amazon. And you're saying, why did you spend 20 bucks on a flashlight, Big Dave? That's crazy. Is it? Because if you look at the end of it, I got this fancy little plug here. As you can probably see from my left hand, set this down, we got jumper cables to plug in to said flashlight. So the reason I bought this, I keep it in my motorcycle. I've had to use it twice. Not on my bike, but I figured it's cheap insurance. Twice so far I've jumped cars with this thing. And I know it looks small, like a little flashlight. You're thinking it ain't gonna do any good. Twice it started the cars. I had to actually bring it in the house. It's been sitting in the bike for a while. Weather's cold in my garage. Needed charge, so I charged it up. So when you want to charge this up, under the little rubber flap on the bottom, there's a USB plug, mini USB. You just plug your cable into there, set it to charge. And here by the flashlight button, there are 4 little blue lights that will light up. They'll blink until it's fully charged, and then you know that it's good to go. And then you just throw it in your car, truck, motorcycle, whatever, and you have got something that could jumpstart your battery in case of emergency. It's also nice for trips because there's a USB plug right here. You can use this to charge your phone. Say you're sleeping in a tent or something. So you've got a little bit of juice that way. So you can keep everything charged up as well. So really handy to have. I suggest everyone get one. Maybe not this one, it's $50, but for $50, you've got safety of mind and you don't have to worry about it in case you have a dead battery. I'd much rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Big Day philosophy. And now I'm gonna carry it in my truck for the winter time because this is the time of year that batteries go bad, especially up here in Minnesota when it gets really cold. So I took it in the house, charged it up. Super simple to use. Has a little button back here that you turn on. Boop. Turn it on. Plug this in. It can only go one way if you look. Oops, sorry. One end is squared, the other is rounded off. I think we got it good enough there. So it'll only plug in one way. Basically, you're gonna plug that in and you see these 2 little lights blinking. That means she's ready to hook up to the battery. At this point, I could hook it up to a car battery. Unplug that, I don't accidentally bump something. And it'll start a vehicle. I bought this thing when I was originally going to Sturgis because I didn't want to be a long way from home and have a dead battery or something. I figured there's lots of other guys on bikes out there that maybe old batteries, maybe they were running their radios for, showing off kind of things. So for 50 bucks, I carried my bike. And for the winter, I carried my truck. And it's come in handy a number of times. So that's just one of the things I wanted to talk about today. So I'll try and put a link down below. These things are super simple to use. I recommend everybody get one. Doesn't have to be like this. They make different brands, different types. I want to get a different one in the future. Maybe a little more expensive, a little better one, if you will. But for right now, I really like this. So I've only had to use it twice, and it's worked like a champ both times I've done it. So anyways, that's your tip of the day. And we're going to talk about something next video too. So stay tuned. And if you found this helpful, do me a favor. I don't ever ask people this, but if you could click down below, hit that subscribe button. That'll let me know that you liked it, and hit the like button, obviously. And then hit the bell notification. And then when I come out with my next one, you'll be one of the first ones to know. Till then, y'all take it easy. Take care of each other. Love you. Mean it. Peace.